Hello and welcome to BreazeHome version 5.0, the regular user tutorial by the chat system team. My name is Mark Cameron and my team members are Tariq Juman and Louis Averhoff. The product owner and mentor of BreazeHome version 5.0 is Dr. Masoud Sadjadi. So to start off this tutorial, first thing a user is going to want to do is head to breezehome.com, the landing page, and immediately proceed to sign in if they have an account or create an account if they do not. So since I already have an account, I'll type in the credentials. And once signed in, I will navigate to the Find Your Agent page. So from this page, we'll begin to see the simple filter. So typing in the name, first name, last name, or city will proceed to filter the agents based on the criteria typed in. So for instance, I will type in Masoud, and immediately we receive the agent named Masoud Sadjadi. So the same thing works with the last name. We can type in Sadjadi, and there we go, greeted with Sadjadi. And then typing in location will filter the list based on agents located in that location. So Miami, all the agents located in Miami will be presented. Now onto the advanced filters. So to get to these advanced filters, we simply click the filters button and we will be shown these advanced filters. Clicking these options, so changing any options, selecting your filters, will show you the apply button. And then simply clicking on the apply button, we will see the agent that meets that criteria. To reset the filter, we simply click reset filter and we have all our agents back. A nifty little feature with this filter, it watches for the changes, and if the changes aren't applied and we attempt to close that filter, we will have a warning pop up. Clicking cancel will allow you to go back and apply those changes if you would like, or clicking close filter will simply close the filter and reset the options, like so. Now moving on to the sorting. Clicking the sorting button will show the sorting panel, and then clicking it again will hide it. And then simply clicking on the sorting options will sort the list. So clicking name, sorting by name, ascending, sorted by rating from high to low, and then by location, ascending. And then clicking on it again will sort descending. Same works for the rest of them. Now on to the list and grid view. So we can, by default, the list is displayed as the list view. But if we were to click on the grid view button, we'll see a grid view. And then simply clicking back on the list view, we switch back to the list view. Now scrolling down, we can see the pagination feature. Clicking on any of these buttons will switch the page. So here we have a list of the pages that we have. Clicking on next will give us the next page, of course, the previous page. Last will give us the last page, but since we only have 2 pages, it's not a very good demo of that. So showing the number of entries allowed, So we can change this to 2, and now we have only 2 agents per page. Now clicking the last will bring us to the last page, 7th page. First will bring us to the first page. Next will bring us from the first to the second to third, and so on. Previous from fourth to third to second, and so on. This allows for the user to sort of handle the amount of data that's being presented to them, so that they're not required to scroll. So having, for instance, 4 agents per page is manageable, and we can scroll through like so. Alright, and the last but not least feature, since we are the chat system team, is the chat. So clicking on any agent, we go back, clicking on any agent here will allow you to go to that agent's profile page. So let's, for instance, Lisa. If we want to chat with Lisa, we simply click on the Chat With Me Now button, and a little chat bubble will appear in the bottom right corner. Clicking on that button will display our chat log. So this is the chat log from my account to Lisa's account. So if I were to simply type hello and then press enter, we'd send a message to Lisa saying hello. And another little feature that was added by Tariq Juman, member of the chat system team, was the recent conversations button. So clicking on this button will show us the recent conversation we just had with Lisa. And since, Lisa's the only one I've spoken to recently, this is the one that pops up. So to properly demonstrate this feature, let's go back and talk to a different agent, Ryan Jeffrey. So here we'd see the recent conversations. So both Ryan Jeffrey, the most recent, and Lisa appear in the recent conversations list. Okay, I've gone ahead and set up the 2 accounts. So over here, I'm signed in to an agent's account, and here we can see the chat button, or the chat log, sorry, displayed. And this is coming from my account, Mark C. And I'm over here, I'm signed into my account, my regular user account, Mark C, talking to Jeff. And if I were to type over on the right hand side, you would see Mark C is typing. And if I were to type over here, over on the left hand side, you will see that, well, this is his username right now. Yeah, you would see his username appear is typing. Another nice feature is, say for instance, the agent's logged out. So I will log out the agent and then log back into the agent's account by me sending a message to Jeff like hello, and say he's offline, and then logs back in. If he were to, at this moment, it only works by reloading the page. So for future implementations, we would want this to work immediately as soon as the message is sent. But I refresh the page, and then here we see the messages that were sent to Jeff from my account, and we can see that 2 messages are unread. This is the unread message notification. And if we were to simply click on the message bubble, we will see all the messages that were sent. And exiting, we see that the unread message notification has disappeared because we have read those messages. Thank you very much, and this has been the regular user tutorial for the chat systems implementations of BreazeHome version 5.0. For any questions regarding this video, please contact either myself, Mark Cameron, or any other team member of the chat system team at these points of contact. And for questions regarding the BreazeHome project, please contact Dr. Sadjadi at sajjadi@cs.fiu.edu. Thank you for your time.